Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain the latest recruitment notification released by the Staff Selection Commission for Selection Post Phase 14 Recruitment 2026. If you are preparing for government jobs, this is a very important opportunity, so watch the video till the end. Notification details. The official notification for SSC Selection Post Phase 14 was released on the 13th of April 2026. A total of 3,003 vacancies have been announced. Candidates who have completed 10th, 12th, or graduation are eligible to apply for different posts. Important dates. The online application process has already started from the 13th of April 2026. The last date to apply online is the 4th of May 2026. The last date for fee payment is the 5th of May 2026. Correction window will be open from the 11th of May to the 13th of May 2026. The exam is expected to be conducted in June 2026. Application fee. For general and OBC candidates, the application fee is 100 rupees. Women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD, and ex-servicemen categories are exempted from paying the fee. Age limit. The age limit varies depending on the post. It ranges between 18 to 35 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per government rules. Eligibility criteria. There are 3 levels of posts. Matriculation level. Minimum qualification is 10th pass higher secondary level, 12th pass graduation level, graduate in any discipline. Salary. Selected candidates will get salary under pay level 1 to level 8 as per the 7th Pay Commission. Salary will vary depending on the post. Selection process. The selection will be done through a computer-based examination, CBE. The exam pattern is total 100 questions, 25 questions each from General Intelligence, General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude, English Language. Time duration is 60 minutes. There is negative marking of 0.50 marks for each wrong answer. After the exam, there may be skill tests for some posts, followed by document verification. Application fee. Now let's talk about the application fee. For general and OBC candidates, the fee is 100 rupees. Women candidates are completely exempted. Candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD, and ex-servicemen categories do not have to pay any fee. You can also apply for multiple posts separately. For detailed notification and direct apply link, check the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more government job updates.